Hi, everyone. This is Angela from Earrings by Angela, and welcome to our ABCs of Jewelry Making series. Today, we're going to talk about experimenting. Okay, so it's no secret that sometimes we get into quite a creative slump or what we would call an artist block, right? And that's when we decide, you know what? Oh my gosh, I need more inspiration. But it may not be that you just need inspiration. Maybe you're working with the same materials over and over and over until it sounds or it seems like it's become quite robotic and you're stuck in that comfort zone. We got to get you out of there. So, if you're always creating your pieces in silver, why don't you, and I dare you, to try using copper or gold or bronze or even mixing the metals and see how that really sparks up um that excitement, that aha, if I just would have used this, it would have looked different. And just try that, because even using something that you're not used to using can open up a plethora of new creative ideas. Okay, so it helps you get out of your comfort zone, and it allows your creativity to flow. And guess what, sometimes you get into that where it's like, okay, now that I'm using this new thing and I have new inspiration, how can I create more with it? Or what should I create? And guess what? I have the answer for that as well. There is a free 3-day Jewelry Diva challenge, which will help you to get out of your comfort zone. So I will definitely put the link to that in the comments and in the description so that you can join at your leisure. And it's just 3 little challenges, a workbook that you can reflect on and record your ideas. That's a free download for that. So I will put that in there, and I invite you to take that challenge, because being in a creative slump is not fun for anyone. Okay, so see, I love you. I create stuff for you to help you with this. I give you the things that I wish that someone had given me when I began. Okay, so with that being said, make sure that you like this video. Um, and subscribe so that you become part of the EBA family, okay? And I love to see if you're going to what new things you decided that you're going to experiment with and try, okay? And also, who's going to sign up for that Jewelry Diva challenge, cuz there's going to be a new one coming later on this year. So, be on the lookout for that. But this is a great starting point, okay? And until next time, happy creating.